What's going on, guys? Bradley Moore. I didn't want to be too loud because a lot of people around here today. I didn't want to bother them. Now, when you're gonna rep 1,000 pounds, okay? When you go to rep 1,000 pounds, it's important to warm up. Okay, so we're gonna warm up first. So that's what we're doing right now.
But if you don't rep 1,000 pounds, you still gotta warm up?
No.
No?
So it's like a threshold. Once you get to 1,000, then warming up. No, of course you have to warm up, bro. Kind of always warm up. It doesn't matter if it's 1,000 pounds or 200 pounds. You still have to warm up. Or it's 100 pounds, 50 pounds, doesn't matter. You gotta warm up. So, but for me to hit 1,000, I need to warm up.
Damn, you're gonna do 1,000, huh?
1,000, bro.
That's a lot of weight.
How many? 3 zeros.
3 zeros.
That's about as much Kevin has in his bank account.
1,000 pounds?
No, $1,000.
1,000 pounds.
US dollars. No, Canadian dollars, because you're kind of like, eh. Even the Canadians are, oh shit, the Canadians are like, what does that mean? No, it means that like Kevin is like, you know.
I spent all my money on what?
Like Canadian stuff in Canada. Like maple syrup. and fucking,
what else? Come on,
little Canadian flags and stuff.
Okay, what else?
Bears.
Closest to
like bear, what?
Drake.
Drake's, bro, you know you love Drake? I was gonna say Future, not Future, Drake, Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber's from Canada, yeah. Justin Bieber, Drake, The Weeknd.
Really?
Yes, bro, they're all from Canada.
Why?
Party Next Door, they're all from Canada.
I'm from Canada.
No, you just kind of like, yeah, like a Canadian's kind of like, yeah. You know, a boot. I'm fucking with, I'm sorry, Canadians, I'm sorry. That's fucked up. Like
you like Canadians though.
I do like Canadians, actually, yeah. My buddy, Pete, Pete's from Canada too. Comment below if you know him, or thumbs up the video if you do. Yeah, if you're from Canada, actually comment below. Let me know, and then be like, maybe talk shit about what you think about me in America, you know, which is like, there's a lot going on these days, so I'm fine, you know, we could like, if I'm talking shit, you can talk shit back. But we gotta warm up still for the 1,000 pounds. Let's just get serious.
Do it.
Yeah, I think this shit is. Watch. Nah, but warming up's important. Like, don't neglect stuff like this, because I know it's like, sometimes it can be super monotonous and boring, because like, let's be frank, it's your legs and not your biceps or your chest, which is really satisfying. So it's like, but doing stuff like this will not only help you get used to like using your quads, but getting like fucking blood in your knees. And I know for me, I did like a few like lighter to like mid-warm sets, kind of warm, like kind of heavier-ish sets. I call them warm sets anyways, because I'm getting closer to the work set. But squatting always feels better when I have a slight pump in my quads and a slight pump in my calves. So I'm about to do this shit. It's gonna be crazy, fucking crazy. So, anyways, before I get into the leg press, and if you guys have not done this, try this. Like I warmed my quads. I'm gonna slightly warm up, I'm just pretty much gonna warm up my calves. Okay, so I've always noticed that I have a little pump in my calf, or when I do. I'm gonna start getting better at my English, because people like talk shit sometimes. They're like, his grammar's bad, his grammar's bad. Spell it like this, you are. I know it all. Anyways, get a pump in the quads, get a pump in the hamstrings, get a pump in the calves, and then start your set, like when you start working up. And when I say a pump, like don't do like hella sets, because like, let's be frank, like the least amount of legs we can do, the better, especially calves, because that's the worst one. But like 3-4 sets just to warm up and get a little bit of blood in the muscle, so you have like a slight pump, and then start getting into your working sets of the leg press. After the leg press, so we're gonna go super heavy, then we're gonna go to squats and do like, I'll do like, I don't know, like 1% of my max, because it's gonna be 225. So it's basically 1% of my max. If you
1%.
1% of my max, 225.
Oh, wow.
So we're gonna do that for like just reps, like bodybuilder reps, just to like build the legs up. Arnold taught me that.
Arnold. Oh yeah, I saw that photo.
Schwarzenegger. The one is
You and
you know Arnold Schwarzenegger, right? You know who he is?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one. Yeah, it's my homie.
I saw that photo of you and
yeah, on my gram.
And what's his name?
Franco. It's me, Franco, and Arnold. Yeah, it was a good day, man. Yeah.
Easy?
I mean, not really easy, but like, fuck it.
How many reps should you get for 1,000 pounds?
1,000.
1,000? Okay, wow.
Easy money, baby. At least 1,000. Yeah, I'm going for 1,000. Okay, realistically, when we're talking about like,
Yeah.
1,000.
That's easy.
Yeah, not 1,000. I don't know. How much is this?
We'll see though, right?
We're about to find out right now.
Yeah.
I'm kind of hyped for this. We should put a commercial break in there. Yeah. No, we're not really just gonna put 1,000 pounds because this is obviously 1,000 and some change. Look. See? Some change. Look, can they see? This is 1,000.
Wow.
And some change for the homies, bro. In case they need to do the laundry. Laundry man. Yeah.
You do laundry?
I hate doing laundry.
Have you ever?
Bro, I used to go to laundromats and do laundry. That's why I think I hate it. Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, it's just.
I mean, you barely do your laundry now. So you probably never did it. You probably went once a year, huh?
Nah, at least once a month. But you know what trips me out? It makes me think about like my clients back in the day when I was training. They seriously must have really liked me because I remember coworkers would come up and be like, yo, bro, you kind of stink. Like, you put deodorant on? And, you know what I'm saying? Like, yo, you need deodorant, dog? Like, hey, you might need this. I got some extra. I'll give you know, they're trying to give you hints. Yeah, my clients must have really loved me, man, because I was like,
Because you smell.
yeah, I'm upgrading on now. Now I do my laundry at least once a week. Yeah, you know, every couple weeks, once a week. Same thing. I need like a machine that will do my laundry. Do they make those yet? Apple, where you at? Can Apple help?
It's not a washer and dryer.
Yeah, but then a machine that could do like take it out and put it in there. Cause who likes to go like this?
Oh, and fold it and stuff, you mean?
And yeah, and then put the shit here, and then like then you get and you go like this.
It's called
and then you put it here and you fold it.
What's that called again? A girlfriend.
A girlfriend. That's a whole nother story that I don't want to get into right now because I gotta hit this fucking weight.
That's true.
All right, let's do this shit. Let me explain something. I just want to explain something real quick.
What?
To all my gym homies.
Bro, you could have done at least 65 more.
Well, yeah, but you know, certain laws here in this gym. Anyways, the point is, guys, not to make a point, but I'm gonna make a point. And I've said this before. Don't base your strength off of this. Base your strength off the squat, and I promise you, you'll be able to do a fuck ton of weight here, no problem. Base strength your legs off of that. So if you don't know how to squat, learn how to squat. Watch my old video. I should probably make a new one. I will make a new one, a better one. We will advance, bro.
New and improved.
Way new and improved. Like, it'll just be better. 2.0.
Bradley
Not even 2.0. It's just the beginning. You know, like Xbox went back and they were like, "This is Xbox 1."
Bradley Martin.
Bradley 1.
Bradley Martin 1.
Bradley Martin 1.
Yeah.
I won. And it's Bradley Martin 1 series.
What'd you win?
What do you mean?
The lottery. No, you didn't.
Powerball. I did.
You did?
Yeah.
You won.
Yeah.
Why don't you tell me?
That's not that big of a deal.
What do you mean, bro? It's like
I'm still doing what I'm doing today.
That's true.
I'll be doing the same shit anyways. It's so funny. I'm gonna post a video about that.
Yeah.
Tomorrow?
Doesn't matter.
Would it be after this video?
Bro, who knows?
Bro, you know the schedule on this shit. I don't know the schedule on this shit.
And my
Bro, you know. Stop fucking with me.
No, it's up to you, bro.
No. I don't make these decisions. Kevin makes these decisions. So if you see a video you don't like, 100% you can guarantee it's Kevin's fault. 100% his fault. Not my fault. It's like, whoa, I don't know why he did that. You know?
I don't upload the videos Bam does.
Well, yeah, but we can't account for Bam. She just Bam. She does what she wants to do.
Yeah.
She's like. Anyways, like this video, please do it now. Also comment below about your favorite brand of underwear, because I want to know. I actually do want to know, like, because I'm trying to find more that are more comfortable, because these are what's Fruit of the Loom, and there you got a big old rip in them. I don't like that.
Damn.
It should rip when you squat.
Yeah,
you know?
how many reps is that?
I don't know. Was it 15?
Count in the video and comment.
Yeah, count in the video. If it was whoever guessed correctly, well, you're not guessing, you're gonna get the right one. Whoever gets it first, actually, in the comment section. So if you're here, whoever gets it first, I'm gonna like it, your thing, so you go way to the top, and you guys can all talk shit to each other.
Hey!
You fucks. I love that shit. It's actually one of my most enjoyable parts of the internet, is reading YouTube comments. Because we did a video with a friend in Houston, and everybody was very outspoken about the way they felt about things.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Interesting, bro.
You know, like pussy and vagina and all that stuff.
What do you mean?
Pussy and vagina, those are two different things,
Cats?
right?
Cats and vaginas?
Yeah.
Pussy?
Yeah, cats, bro.
Cats.
Anyways, this is actually getting too.
Oh yeah, we gotta get.
Yeah, let's keep going.
Squats.
Squats 225 for reps. It's Kevin's max, so let's see what we can do.
Ah, funny.
That's your max. Why you lie like it's not?
Funny,
Why you lie like it's not
Yeah,
your max?
maybe max for fucking single arm curls.
Bro, you can't even.
It's all good.
You
bro.
can even curl 50 pounds.
Yeah, I can.
Show me.
Alright.
Show me.
Alright,
Go ahead, after you.
No, wait.
What?
Like, just fuck crazy. Well, literally, look.
You've done this before.
It's no, but like, there's. You're gonna want to look, okay? Like right now. No, like, dude. What are we doing?
Well, this is the holy grail of leg exercises, because that's like the phony one. But it was actually really good. Actually, no, I'm not gonna knock leg pressing too much, because I did notice when I hit leg presses more often and I focused on keeping my feet a little bit closer and focus on my contraction on my quads, my legs did get a little better. My teardrop, because my teardrop used to just be like, you know, like teardrop, mine was like a, like the, like water leaking out of a fucking crack,
bro.
or like, you know, like, it wasn't a teardrop, you know, it was like teardrops, like,
Yeah.
that's that sweet, that cool, like here, you know what I'm saying?
Yours was a
Mine was
water
like a
drop.
water sliding on the back of like your porch. It's like ice was melting and it was just very like, eh. So anyways, it got bitter. I made improvements because I started doing that more. And also the leg press kind of like, it's a like a vertical, not vertical, but a 95 degree, whatever yours is. Almost like a representation kind of the beginning of a deadlift. Like it's kind of the same mechanics where like you're, you know, pressing the floor.
Yeah.
Like it'll teach you to press the floor, like I talked about increasing your deadlift video. Pressing the floor away is what you think about instead of lifting the weight up.
True.
Like think about grabbing the weight and just pushing the floor away. It's the same type of movement you are when you're pressing the leg press. So I do like it. I know I talk shit, only because like most gym bros will be in the gym like, yeah bro, I leg press 1,000 pounds. And they'd be like, oh that's fucking dope bro, like do you squat? Oh no, it's bad for your back. It's bad for your back, bro. Because see, that's why I make fun of it, because it's not bad for your back. Doing shit wrong is bad for your back, okay? Now, watch, I just gonna hit this shit like fuck my back up.
No,
Yeah, I wouldn't. No way.
What are you gonna do? 12 reps?
Minimum 12 reps. Minimum 12. Minimum 12. Whatever you guys are doing after that, minimum 12. No matter if it's like a 45, a 10.
How many sets?
Your girl, huh?
How many sets?
Probably 6 sets.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna suck dick. It's gonna be bad. It's 12, bro.
I think you only did 3.
Maybe only 3 counted by YouTube standards, because on YouTube,
Oh yeah.
no matter what you do, it's not good enough.
It's true.
Fuck you guys. But like the video. Like the video. You better like the video. If you don't like the video, I'm quitting.
Quitting
I'm
what?
quitting today.
Quitting what?
What?
What are you quitting?
What do you mean?
You say you're quitting. What are you quitting?
I'm quitting. Crazy ideas all. Anyways, no crazy idea. The thing about the internet's wild, and tell me if I'm right or not. Whatever you think. Introduce yourself real quick though. So there you go. I'm Justin. Justin. So Justin's working out here for a while. We always talk with bullshit, right? I used to joke about hitting leg day, like, cause on the internet it was a cool thing to joke about, like, yeah, fuck hitting leg day, yeah, fuck that. And truthfully, at the time, I always hit leg day. The internet like creeped on me, and now there's a part of me that genuinely doesn't want to hit leg day.
It fucked you up.
It fucked me up. Has that happened to you at all?
You know, it's fucked up because I hate hitting legs. So
What makes
when
it worse?
Right, but when I hit legs, I'm like, fuck yeah.
You always feel good. And I'm telling you, I'm the same way. That's why I always just hit legs. It's the internet like got in my mind. It was like legs are bad.
Yeah.
But I promise you guys, legs aren't bad. Like I swear you will feel better after doing them.
Great.
Every time I feel better.
Yep.
It's just like the starting it and then doing it and then doing all of it and then resting and then doing more and then finishing the workout is the worst part. You know,
Everything involved in leg day.
the whole thing
day.
is
The whole
fucking
day is
horrible.
the
And
whole
then,
day.
except the minute you're done, it's amazing.
Yeah, but then you limp over your car. You can't drive your car.
But that's satisfying. It's the whole thing sucks. It's trash.
Yep.
And then like you're done and it's amazing. So just get through all the shit. And that's like life in a metaphor.
That's exactly how it is.
pretty much life. Leg day is
Exactly.
life. So
Yep.
I'm just gonna make a new shirt that says leg day is life. Yeah. And everyone's gonna be like, no sales.
Done.
Fuck this thing. No, thank you though.
All right.
Yo, check him out. He's on the gram. Tell him your gram.
Modified 6x6.
It's a modified 6x6, which is what the fuck? A 6x6? Are there cars like that?
Yeah, bro.
Truck.
Look at the G-Wagon.
Oh, the G-Wagon. What is it, a G?
Yeah, where you at on that?
Oh shit, no, I'm slacking, bro.
That's illegal here, I think.
I would.
You should get it.
Arnold has one.
Arnold does have one.
It's in California.
Wow. You should text him right now.
All right, I'm gonna text him real quick, bro. Hold on.
Am I good man? Am I fool? Am I good man? Am I fool? Am I good man? Am I Am I good man?
You know what the best part about
I wasn't
doing
expecting that.
I was not. You know what the best part about legs is?
What's the best part?
When you finish the set. I swear, and I know I just joked about it.
You feel good right now?
No, but I'm not doing it anymore. So it's another reason why I try and go a little faster
Yeah.
and keep the motion is like because I know that
They'll get over there.
the sooner I do it, the sooner I'm not doing it.
True.
You know?
How many more sets? A couple more? 3 more?
3 more.
Alright.
Why are you filming this?
What?
Why are we filming this?
Why not, dude? I got more tape I need to use.
It's not tape, it's
Yeah, it's
digital.
tape.
No, last time we had an argument, it was me arguing the opposite point, so it's not fair. This is digital. It's all SD card.
SD?
Standard digital.
What does SD stand for?
What does SD stand for? Seriously, what does it stand for? Do you guys know? For real, do you know what it stands for? No, do you know what? No, seriously, do you know what it stands for? Fuck you, bro. If you guys know what it stands for, write it down there. Because I don't, and I don't want to Google it. Even though I could Google it within like a minute. I can do it, just like I'm not going to do this last set of legs.
You feel good though, right?
Yeah. Like I'm not playing, guys. I seriously joke about legs a lot, but I promise you, it will change your life. And it'll help you grow a booty, and girls like booty. Just as much as guys like booty. That's a fact.
Who do you think likes it more, girls or guys? Or even?
Guys do, come on, bro.
Yeah, okay.
Girls are like, I care about the feelings in their heart, you know? And that's true, you know? It's not that guys don't care about that either. It just takes guys longer to start to care about that for the most part, because girls are just more sensitive. That's just in the
They
DNA.
have more estrogen and their chemistry is, you know, different.
Yeah, body chemistry is different, so make them want to get more attached to that. Guys are more like, oh, I'm hardcore,
True.
you know? Like me. Like I don't get attached to leg day,
You're hardcore?
because I don't know if we're ever going to see each other again.
Damn.
And I don't want to make her feel bad and like,
Her.
you know, her. Yeah, I don't want to make her feel bad, man.
It's all good.
She might end up like scratching my car or something.
You like that?
You never know. Actually, could fuck your car, bro. Imagine if that shit landed on your car. Shit will fuck your car up.
That's
Fuck
like
your whole day up.
It's like a State Farm commercial. Boom.
I was like, Nationwide is, right? But no, you said State Farm. Why I went Nationwide? Well, State Farm, like a good neighbor?
No.
Wait,
Yeah,
also-
like a good neighbor, State Farm is there. Boom.
Boom. And that should just fall on your car, like out of.
Yeah.
Yeah, anyways. That's it. I guess this was an insurance commercial. Like, they didn't even pay me for that. Fuck them. I hate them. I want to erase all that. Fuck it though. I don't care. I don't even have insurance. What's true and what's not true? That's the question. That's really the question.
All right, we gotta go. We're
Yeah.
late.
No, do we have another exercise? Oh, it's walking to the car. That should be fun.
Yeah.
Let's do
You
it.
gotta do walking London to the car though. Come on.
Oh yeah?
Yep. Do it. All the way to the car. Go.
I don't think I can do it.
All the way. Go.
My legs feel pumped. Oh, let's just do lunges. Let's just finish up with lunges.
All right.
All right, let's do that shit first.